Hey guys, and welcome back to the TurnUp Getting Started demo. So basically, like I'd shared on the previous introduction video, these are the three items that will be focused on the next videos. So in case you have not watched the introduction video, I've shared a link of the same on our description, so you can just try and look into it first before you proceed. So on this particular demo, we'll be focused on this first element, that is the account creation and application structure. So this is where I had mentioned that we will get to maybe look into what you require as a user, maybe when creating your first account, what you need to do, maybe what you don't need to do, and such stuff. So just to start it off, let me head over to my browser and access the application so that we can proceed. Yes, so here we are, and as you can see, the site is empty. There is not much content into it, so this is what we'll be doing. Of course, that will be on the next video, but we will look into that as well. So basically, first thing to mention is that actually this URL that I'm using is only for this particular demo, and you cannot be able to access this site using the same URL that I'm using on these demos. So as you can see, this is our site. This is how it looks like. It is empty, but the next I think the next video will be able to put at least one content or two into it. So I had mentioned on the introduction that whether or not you are logged in or you are registered as a user, you can still be able to access the site and maybe have a look at the different maybe the things that are posted on there. So we can just start by maybe registering ourselves. So I'll head over to the register. Actually, before we can proceed with the registration, I'll just like to highlight on something. For the registration, there's actually two options for you to access the registration link. There's this one on the login page, the register button, and there's this one on the top left corner of the screen. So basically, whichever you click will just lead to the same view. So I think right now we can proceed. So as you can see, this form has been subdivided into three basically sections. That is the user, the account, and the address. So the user section basically captures just details relating to you as the user of the account. So I think we can just get started with filling up our first user. So I'll use myself as an example. Yeah, so of course these are the first and the last name. The username should be one word, and maybe it can be separated by underscores, but should not have a space in between. So can do something like this. Our email. Of course, you need to provide a valid email address, because the link to verify your account will be sent to the email that you have provided on this particular form field. The passwords should match with the password should match with the confirm password, and it should have at least one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter, and a combination of any number of characters, but it should be a total of 8 characters for it to allow you to register your account. So let's just confirm our password. It's okay. Yeah, I missed that one. If you check on the top of this particular the user section, you can see there's this avatar. So in case you want to add a custom profile picture to your account, you can just click on this one, and you can be able to select one. So you can maybe select this one as an example, and click next. So here we are on the account section. So here you basically you get to pick one of these account types, the one that will be representing your account. So of course the features might slightly vary across different accounts, but the major difference is maybe between the Event Explorer account and these other two accounts. So if you pick the Event Explorer account, you will not be able to post an event. Basically, you'll just be there to you're just looking through events, and you'll not be able to post. But these two accounts will be able to post an event. So we can maybe just go with the event organizer. Click next. So here we have the address. Here basically we get to put our geographical location and any other additional information like the business name if you have one. These are actually good for the event organizer and the maybe club manager or club personnel accounts. So I will not be filling this because actually they are not mandatory, so we don't really need to fill them. It is optional. So we can just pick our country, let's say Kenya, state Nairobi, maybe Nairobi again. So once you finish the form, you can just click finish, and you'll be able to get registered. So in case of any challenges, you can just the form will maybe notify you in case there is any error. You can just go back and fix it. Another thing maybe I forgot to mention is in case you want to specify different maybe town or a city that is not part of the list that is provided, you can just click on other, and then you can be able to specify your own city that maybe you want maybe a different place. So I think I already have an account, so I will not click on finish because I have an account with the same details. So now that I have walked you through the process of registering an account, maybe we can just use the same details that I registered an account with earlier to maybe log in and have a look at the site once logged in. So you can just click on this that link. Okay, so here we are on our login screen. And before I log in, I just want you to take note of this. This is our main menu, and as you can see, we have only two items here. So let us log in. Okay. Yeah, so now we are logged in, and as you can see on our main menu, we have some additional items. One of which is a link to go to my own profile, which we will talk about. I think on the last item on our list, which is this one. So this is a link to go to our profile, and then this is the link to go to start posting our event, which we will be talking about on the next video. So I think that is the main thing that I wanted to talk about on this particular video, the account registration, login, and maybe just to have a look of how the actual site looks and feels. So in case of any questions or comments, you can just leave them on our comment section, and I will be able to get back to you in case of any inquiries. So thank you for your time, and I hope to see you on the next video.